You're going to download and open the Chase app and go to your account, scroll down to digital wallets. You're going to click Apple Pay and select the card by clicking Add to Apple Pay. Accept the terms. You're going to go through a verification process. It's going to add the card. It's going to contact the card issuer. Now, once verification is complete, you'll go to your digital wallet on your iPhone, and your card should be ready for use at ATMs and stores accepting Apple Pay. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of more content like this. And don't forget to like and leave a comment on the video below as well, especially if you have something you'd like to learn in the upcoming videos. Follow and find me at the links below. And also, you can get deals on all the elements used to create this video in the description below.